in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook profile private. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is first you want to open up Facebook. Once you have opened up your Facebook, you want to go to the bottom right to the menu. And once you are here, you want to go to settings. Once you have opened up settings, you want to search for privacy checkup. So it's this first one, so it's privacy checkup. Then you have all of these different things you can select. So you have who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings on Facebook, your ad preferences on Facebook. So let's just tap on how people can find you on Facebook and then click on continue. And here you can tell Facebook friends of friends or everyone. Then you can choose the suggest profile based on your phone number, like do you want people to be able to find you with their phone number or email address. You want to click on edit and then potentially click no one or friends. And then the final one is search engines. So if this is turned off, your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name, but it won't be they won't be able to see it on Google, Bing, Yahoo, and etc. Some other things you can do is take a look at your data settings on Facebook, how to keep your account secure. There are some options here, but that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed,